Hi, my name is David, and in today's video, we're talking about how to make money online and how beginners like you are earning $50 to $200 per day with no experience. We're talking big bucks here. So, without any further delay, let's get started. This method is completely free, which means you won't have to invest any money at first. Furthermore, this method is available worldwide, so no matter where you live, you'll be able to make money with it. All you need is your smartphone or computer to begin earning money every day with this method. Let's get started with the method. Being able to spot and capitalize on trends is a very useful skill when it comes to making money online. For instance, self-publishing has exploded in the last decade, with thousands of authors opting for ebook formats to make money from their writing. And because of this, there's a huge demand for digital book cover designs right now. So, if you are actually a graphic artist with an interest in book cover design, there is a lot of money to be made designing book covers for independent authors, especially book covers for ebooks. However, even if you are not an experienced graphic artist, we will show you how to earn money as well by following our steps. Please keep watching this video carefully until the end, because we will share with you our 2 secret ways to sell your designs. First step, let's learn together the easiest way to create stunning ebook covers that generate big bucks. First of all, you need to create an account on Canva.com. This astonishing website will help you in the creation of your first ebook cover designs for free. After finalizing the registration process, please head to the homepage dashboard and click on Create a Design. Then search for Ebook Cover. On the left side, check all the available ready templates and pick the right one. For this tutorial video, we will choose this nice and simple ebook cover named Keto Diet. Next, we start customizing our design by changing this picture with a different one just by clicking on the Elements tab located on the left side of our design. We can also modify the text as well and the colors of this design. Once all the modifications are done, we save our design by clicking on Share, then Download. For a highest design quality, we recommend you to save your design in PNG format. Before we go any deeper, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it big thumbs up if you've loved the video thus far. And if you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. After creating our design, the first and most obvious place to look for clients for this type of side hustle, especially at first, would be freelancing website such as Fiverr.com. Of course, Fiverr.com has some limitations, and there is a lot of competition on the site. But other good news is that a lot of people actually look for ebook cover design here. So there is also a lot of traffic. This is probably the most obvious and useful first step toward achieving this side hustle and finding clients willing to pay for your services. To triumph on Fiverr.com and all other freelancing websites, you always want to do a good job when you do get clients. And make sure to keep your profile updated and attractive. A nice profile is half the battle on this freelancing website. Now, it's time to reveal our 2 secret websites. You can share your designs for sale on a website called thebookcoverdesigner.com. The Book Cover Designer is an online book cover searching website that allows authors to find beautiful covers for their books. As a designer, you can sell your work to these authors and get rewarded with money. Once you create your account on thebookcoverdesigner.com, you select the Apply to Become a Vendor option and then upload your designs. The designs are first reviewed and then your design is confirmed for sale after 3 days. You can upload as many cover designs as you want, and you can set the price of each cover according to your choice. You will earn the 70% of your book cover sales. Payment will be sent out to designers on a weekly basis on every Sunday via PayPal. The total amount depends on the number of sales for your book covers. You will be notified through email about every purchase of your cover. TheBookCoverShop.com is another secret online book cover searching website that permits to authors to find stunning covers for their books. You can start earning on this website by registering as a vendor. Once you've done that, you can upload your designs and wait for an approval from the platform, which is done in 24 hours. The good things about the Book Cover Shop is that they advertise your designs on Facebook and other social media platforms, so you have better chances of getting a buyer without spending a penny on ads. They also take a commission of only 15%, which is possibly the lowest rate among such companies. The payment policy is another great part of this website. You receive 85% of your cover sales. Payment is also done via PayPal. The vendor has the liberty to withdraw money whenever he or she likes. Great, isn't? So that brings us to the end of today's video. If you have further questions, feel free to comment down below. Now, if you found the content useful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to help us obtain more subscribers and weekly stuff like this. Thanks for watching, and until the next video, guys, this is David, signing out.